It's Friday, March 26th. And this, believe it or not, is our snowstorm number 6 in 15 days. Unbelievable. We've already got an inch. So on the 11th of March, it snowed 2.5 inches. On the 12th of March, it snowed 3 inches. On the 13th of March, it snowed all day with no accumulation, but heavy snow. On Tuesday, the 16th, we got 4 inches. The 23rd, which was this last Tuesday, we got 5+ inches, and it snowed all day heavy. And then today, it's the 26th, and here it is again. I would not have believed that we would go through 6 snowstorms. And I'd say we've got the equivalent now of a little over 2 inches of rainfall. They say it's 11 inches to 1 inch of rain, 11 inches of snow. Looks like I'm going to be stuck inside editing again. I'd have more project videos for you guys, but this stuff definitely puts a hamper on doing things outside. And the ground is so wet right now that once this melts off, you won't be able to do anything on the ground for at least, it's going to need at least 3 or 4, maybe 5 days to dry out. The roads are very muddy. The car is all mudded up. Awesome. Okay, I think I decided to come out here and brave the cold and show you real quick this storm that we have approaching. This is the storm we got blowing through, and there's snow coming down all around us. It's probably about maybe 35 to 38 degrees out here without the wind, and with the wind chill it feels like it's in the low 20s. It's cold. We got snow. It's awesome. Well, as amazing as it is, this is day 2. Yesterday the snow melted off completely. And this morning looks like we got a little bit more. I'd say we got about 3 inches. And there's been no wind, so it's building up on the trees a lot more. I heard the coyotes a little while ago. It's so cool to hear them. It's so quiet. I'm sure they're out here somewhere. Okay, I woke up this morning. It's 6 a.m. The sun hasn't quite come up. And it's Tuesday, March 16th. And we woke up to snow again, except this time we got more like 4 inches. It's dead quiet out here. There's no air moving at all. The air is totally still, and there's like a slight fog. I've only seen this one time before. I don't know what you call it, snow fog, but it's really cool. Now it's getting closer to 6:30, and there's still this snow fog, is what I'm going to call it. And look at how loaded the tree is. Like every single part that the snow could have gotten to. I mean, every single pine needle has got snow caked around it. When it snowed earlier, I think it was warmer, and then it's gotten colder. Now it's down below 20. Okay, I got it running, and you can see the reason why I keep the table over the top of it is to keep it somewhat protected from the weather, but still, look how much snow is caked on this thing. It's just starting to come off these rocks. Yeah, I'm doing this because there's not going to be any solar for a while, and I don't feel like getting the ladder out and clearing off the solar panels. Plus the sun's not even coming up, so boy, this is strange with this fog. Okay, so we're out here now, and it's just after 6:30. I'm gonna make sure he doesn't run right back to the RV. So There you go, bud. You're in the snow. It's time to do your deal. Look at him go. Running top speed. Come here. Come here, little frozen face. Well, this is crazy. It's the morning of Tuesday, the 23rd of March. And we were supposed to possibly get a tiny bit of snow. It started snowing less than 2 hours ago. And we have a good solid 4 inches, coming up on 5. I'd say pretty close to 5 inches now. This is amazing. We're supposed to get even more snow tonight. So this is snowstorm number 5 in less than 2 weeks. Well, about 2 weeks exactly. 5 snowstorms. That's amazing for this late in the year. So I've been sitting here editing for most of the day, and it is still snowing outside. It's been snowing all day. This is snowstorm number 5. Here, I'll open up the window, show you the view from my table here. Just started sticking to the ground again. So we had about 5.5 inches of snow from this morning, and most of it, not all of it, but a lot of it melted off. And now it's starting to stick again, and it's snowing really heavy. It's already snowed about an inch in the last 30 minutes that it's actually started to stick. So it's coming down pretty fast. Okay, it kind of stopped snowing. Feels like it's above freezing. We got about 2.5 inches, maybe a little tiny bit more, but it's already starting to melt. It's really, really wet snow. Very wet. But nonetheless, snowstorm number 6. Unbelievable. Just thought I'd show you a quick look. Snow again.